Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Now, for those of you that don't know, I'm a huge car nut, and this is my car, and this is the piston out of it, and this is the piston lamp. So yeah, this is an idea I had a while back. I think it looked pretty cool. What I did, I've got some LED lights here, and the plan is to put the LED light on there. We'll have to drill a hole into there to get the light out and then fill the rest with resin. The challenges on this one is going to make a mould for the resin. I don't want that going everywhere. Got to get the wrist pin out. I think that's just pressed in. We can get that out with hopefully with a cramp, but I don't really know about that. So yeah, it's going to be a challenge, this one, but it's going to be fun. Yeah, let's see how we get on. So I tried putting it in boiling water, as you saw. I tried with the blowtorch, making it really, really hot, and I tried pressing it out after both of those things. It did not go well. But then I thought, well, I'm going to put it back anyway. The only reason I was taking out the wrist pin was that so I could have this flat. So what I decided to do was, I decided to weld it in position. So now the piston doesn't move. I can use my little box and I can pop that in there. Can't touch this end at the moment, it's still hot because I've just finished welding it, which I'm not going to show you because I'm terrible at welding. So on to trying to make a mould for it now. Yeah. So I'm getting on quite well with the piston lamp. It's looking quite cool, quite pleased with that so far. I've just finished sanding up to 1000, wet sanding up to 1000 on the resin part. I had a little thought though, where I've welded it, I've realised that the conrod part, this part, is steel and the piston part is aluminium, and you can't weld the two together with a normal welder because well, you can't, and it was a bit silly of me to try really, but I've had a much better idea, I reckon, and I'm going to fill this part of the piston here with resin, which I think will look miles better, and it will hold the wrist pin in place and keep it straight. I'm going to do that afterwards, but first I'm going to get polishing on the top bit. But well pleased with that, look at that, how cool is that?